The arts.
What do you like to do at the weekend? What are your favorite art forms? Let's take a look at some great ways to keep yourself entertained. The visual arts such as painting, sculpture, pottery, photography and film are those creations that we can look at. The literary arts are any form of creative writing. This includes novels, short stories and poems. The performing arts use acting, dancing or singing. This includes theatre, opera and even stand-up comedy. The arts are important for society as they encourage self-expression. They help to connect people, and they also allow us to understand differences in people's experiences and cultures. The arts can create awareness of important issues and challenge people's perceptions. They are a great way to start a conversation on topics that might not be spoken about otherwise. Of course, the arts can simply be great entertainment. Perhaps all art forms can just be thought of as creations which were made to please the senses.